Dear friends, today I will discuss about another section from the same chapter, that is chapter 17 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. This is section 101 and the title is Rights of Third Parties in respect of use of invention for purposes of government. Okay, so we shall proceed through our subsections and key points. Okay, so subsection 1 says, in relation to any use of a patented invention or any invention in respect of which an application for a patent is pending, made for the purposes of government, clause A, by the central government or any person authorized by the central government under section 100, or clause B, by the patentee or applicant for the patent to the order made by the central government. The provisions of any license, assignment or agreement granted or made between the patentee or applicant for the patent or any person who derives title for him or from whom he derives title, and any person other than the central government shall be of no effect so far as those provisions, just a minute, as far as those provisions. Then subclause 1 says, restrict or regulate the use for the purposes of government of the invention or of any model document or of any model document or information relating thereto, or subclause 2, provide for the making of payments in respect of any use of the invention or of the model document or information relating thereto for the purposes of government, and the reproduction or publication of any model or document in connection with the said use for the purposes of government shall not be deemed to be an infringement of any copyright subsisting in the model or document. So friends, this is a lengthy subsection, so please follow the previous trend, that is, please observe the underlined words and please read the subsection taking care of the punctuation marks. Okay, and the whole gist or the key point of this subsection is that this is written in black ink. The reproduction or publication of any model or document in connection with the above said uses, all the said uses written in the subsection, okay, for the government purposes will not be considered as an infringement of any copyright of the model or document. So simple explanation or simple key point of the whole section. Fine. Next we will proceed to subsection 2, where the patent or the right to apply for an or obtain the patent has been assigned to the patentee in consideration of royalties or other benefits determined by reference to the use of the invention, then in relation to any use of the invention made for the purposes of government by the patentee to the order of central government, subsection 3 of section 100 shall have effect as if that use were made by virtue of an authority given under that section, and use of the invention for the purposes of government by virtue of subsection 3 of that section shall have effect as if the reference to the patentee included a reference to the assigner of the patent, and any sum payable by virtue of that subsection shall be divided between the patentee and the assigner in such proportion as may be agreed upon between them, or as may in default of agreement be determined by the High Court on a reference under section 103. So friends, please follow the same trend that we accepted for subsection 1. Fine. And the key points of this subsection is, in the provisions of section 100 subsection 3, any sum payable shall be divided between the patentee and the assigner in a particular proportion or a specific proportion as per their agreement or as determined by the High Court under section 103. Okay friends, next we will proceed to subsection 3, where by virtue of subsection 3 of section 100 payments are required to be made by the central government or persons authorized under subsection 1 of that section in respect of the use of an invention for the purposes of government, and where in respect of such patent there is an exclusive licensee authorized under his license to use the invention for the purposes of government, such sum shall be shared by the patentee and such licensee in such proportions, if any, as may be agreed upon between them, or as may in default of agreement. Just a minute, friends. Just a minute. Yeah. Or I will read it again, friends. Okay. Where by virtue of subsection 3 of section 100 payments are required to be made by the central government or purposes authorized under subsection 1 of that section in respect of the use of an invention for the purposes of government, and where in respect of such patent there is an exclusive licensee authorized under his license to use the invention for the purposes of government, such sum shall be shared by the patentee and such licensee in such proportions, if any, as may be agreed upon between them, or as may in default of agreement be determined by the High Court on a reference under section 103 to be just, having regard to any expenditure incurred by the licensee. Clause A, in developing the said invention, or clause B, in making payments to the patentees other than royalties or other benefits determined by reference to the use of the invention in consideration of the license. Okay. So friends, here a word is just. It is not just, it is just. That means we can say this is the root word of justice. Now you can understand it very well. Fine. Why it is written. And please follow the same trend that we have said, that we have adopted for subsection 1 and 2. Okay. And the key points of this subsection are written in black ink. Please take a look. The sum shall be shared by the patentee and licensee in a specific proportion as per the agreement or as decided by the High Court under section 103 with considering the below facts. That is, we can say expenditure in developing the said invention or in making payments to the patentees other than royalties, etc. Okay. Okay, friends. Next, just a minute. Yeah, this is done actually. So in this way section 101 is completed. So please go through my video, please go through the bare act as well. Please write down any queries, any compliments, any comments in my comment box, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video it will be available to you in no minutes, no seconds. Okay. Thank you so much, friends. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for listening to me. Stay safe, stay blessed.